Hey, what's up? My name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Ninapenda Nikuabudu, Essence of Worship. Well guys, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification button so that you are always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. The song is in the key of C, and there are two parts for the song. There's an intro progression and there's also a main progression. The main progression actually just will cover the verses and the chorus, and everything else will be on the main progression. So the intro starts off with a 4 4 5 1 4 5 4 5 1 4 5 1. So you hear that intro where is it tan tan tan. So those are the chords for the intro. So I will of course walk you through on how to hold these chords. So the 4 is an F chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to bar string number 1 and 2 with my pointer finger to bar string number 1 and 2 on the first fret, my middle finger on string number 3 second fret, my ring finger string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger string number 4 on the third fret. So that's F. The chord that follows is a G chord. So G chord, I am using my small finger on string number 1 third fret, my ring finger string number 6 on the third fret, and my middle finger string number 5 on the second fret. And then after that chord is this one chord which is the C chord. So C chord, pointer finger is on string number 2 on the first fret, my middle finger on string number 4 second fret, and my ring finger string number 5 on the third fret, C chord. So actually those are the chords that are in the intro. So it says F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, C. The main chord progression is 1 4 1 5 1 C F C G. So well, the song is as simple as that, and that's it for this tutorial. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. Leave a thumbs up if you learned from this tutorial, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And well, that's it for this tutorial. So let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.